Welcome to Deep Quotes. This is part 1 of our Nelson Mandela quote series, where we explore his timeless lessons on courage, dignity, and the unbreakable human spirit. Let his words remind you that true strength begins with compassion. There can be no greater gift than that of giving one's time and energy to help others without expecting anything in return. It is in your hands to create a better world for all who live in it. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin, or his background, or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love, for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. Do not judge me by my success. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. It only seems impossible until it's done. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. No matter what the past has dealt you, don't let it destroy your future. You encourage people by seeing the good in them. Fools multiply when wise men are silent. May your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Education is the great engine of personal development. It is through education that the daughter of a peasant can become a doctor, that the son of a mine worker can become the head of the mine, that a child of farm workers can become the president of a great nation. It is what we make out of what we have, not what we are given, that separates one person from another. As I walked out the door toward the gate that would lead to my freedom, I knew if I didn't leave my bitterness and hatred behind, I'd still be in prison. It is not where you start, but how high you aim that matters for success. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. Overcoming poverty is not a gesture of charity. It is an act of justice. For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others. There is no future without forgiveness. The true character of a society is revealed in how it treats its children. Like slavery and apartheid, poverty is not natural. It is man-made, and it can be overcome and eradicated by the actions of human beings. You can start changing our world for the better daily, no matter how small the action. My dream would be a multicultural society, one that is diverse and where every man, woman, and child are treated equally. I dream of a world where all people of all races work together in harmony. A good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. Freedom can never be taken for granted. Each generation must safeguard it and extend it. Your parents and elders sacrificed much so that You should have freedom without suffering what they did. Use this precious right to ensure that the darkness of the past never returns. The past is a rich resource on which we can draw in order to make decisions for the future, but it doesn't dictate our choices. We should look back at the past and select what is good and leave behind what is bad. In Africa, there is a concept known as Ubuntu, the profound sense that we are human only through the humanity of others. That if we are to accomplish anything in this world, it will in equal measure be due to the work and achievement of others. Living isn't just about doing for yourself, but what you do for others as well. If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. One cannot be prepared for something while secretly believing it will not happen. When we dehumanize and demonize our opponents, we abandon the possibility of peacefully resolving our differences and seek to justify violence against them. We can change the world and make it a better place. It is in your hands to make a difference. The best weapon is to sit down and talk. Exercise is the key not only to physical health, but to peace of mind. Great anger and violence can never build a nation. The time is always right to do right. Blaming things on the past does not make them better. After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. I like friends who have independent minds because they tend to make you see problems from all angles. Learn to know yourself, to search realistically and regularly the processes of your own mind and feelings. There is nothing more dangerous than a humiliated man. Tread softly, pratha peacefully, laugh hysterically. When a man is denied the right to live the life he believes in, he has no choice but to become an outlaw. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what difference we have made to the lives of others that will determine the significance of the life we lead. You can never have an impact on society if you have not changed yourself. Most channels on the internet make up quotes and attribute them to the wrong people, and that honestly annoys us. Here on Deep Quotes, we do the opposite. We carefully share only real quotes, so you can trust what you hear. No fake words, no wrong names. Our content is organized into different series, from scientists and philosophers to business titans, and much more. We also create multi-part series focused on one individual, like Einstein, Leo Tolstoy, and many others. You can find links to all our series in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. Your support motivates us to create more meaningful videos for you. Thank you for watching Deep Quotes. We'll be back soon with part 2. Stay tuned.